Welcome to Learning Kids, where children become the heroes of their stories. So today, I will share with you through this video how you can inspire, educate, and earn. All that with the power of personalized children's stories. All right, so in the beginning, so a little bit more about our story, our values, and our mission. So once upon a time, 10 years ago, in 2009, because of my daughters and one of them having a genetic condition, introducing with health issues, but also learning difficulties. And all that led me to really get interested into children's learning, find all the ways to help her learn via non-conventional ways. And that's how really the concept was born. And in 2012, and since then it has evolved every year with new product launch. So you see here we had the DVD. We started to expand across Europe in 2018. We launched the CreaKids platform in 2019, and I will tell you more about that later on. More recently, we launched the Academy, and last year, and early this year, we rebranded following our international development. And as of today, we've got 150 distributors across 20 countries. So a bit more about the concept. So it's a project which is built on strong human values, which is very much centered around positive education. All right, so with Learning Kids, I wanted to develop something that would be a meaningful and inspiring activity in children's learning and educational development. And with that, the aim will be to impact the lives of thousands of children, really by instilling a love of reading and learning in a playful manner. Neurosciences show it, that the brain learn, if you are a child or as an adult, that you learn much better through games, through pleasure. And all that can be done through a range of customizable stories, which are also inspired by the Montessori method. And with the Learning Kids Academy, we want to give you a meaning to your daily actions and feel useful. So basically, we are proposing a unique and innovative concept. So basically, you will have everything you need to launch your business, and you will benefit from our 10 years expertise and know-how. And you will get, of course, personalized support and guidance. And also you will be able to benefit the lucrative market, and that will allow you to have a very short ROI, which is a return on investment. So a bit more about the market. So according to the Technavio study, the personalization market is growing by 7.85% each year, so which is a really fast growth. And the forecast is that it will last for quite a few years. They've got data up to 2027, but it probably will grow beyond 2027. There are 31.9 million children below 9 years old. So that's very much the age range for the Learning Kids product. So that's a very large market, and that is data for the US. $9.3 million, that's the children book market, which keeps growing. So now it's a fourth consecutive year that it's growing. And again, they anticipate a growth. They give data up to 2031 of an annual growth, the CAGR. It's an annual growth of 3%. 90%, so that's the data given by neurosciences, which shows that learning through play, that children that are exposed to game-based activities during learning have a higher information retention rate that will reach up to 90%. On that, those studies were compared where, you know, with children where they just were reading and listening, but more in a passive way. So if you are passionate about this subject, you can read some more details. I gave you the references here. 7.30 billion, so that's the expected growth of the personalization market by 2027. And also in the US, you've got a market which is renewed each year with 3.6 million births each year. So basically, Learning Kits, it's a vision. So I've developed a turnkey concept that will allow you to get started at a blink of an eye, and I will very much go into much details, and help you to reach a better work-life balance, on all that with a meaningful activity. Expertise, so you saw a bit more than 10 years experience, a range of more than 100 products, physical products, but also very much digital products. 150 distributors, 20 countries so far. On all, when we develop new products, new items, we work in partnership with children experts. Media, so we've got award-winning products. We've been voted best personalized products by Grand Prix du Jouet. We've had the EdTech Trophy. We've had many publications in the media. And a culture which I would very much define as collaborative, is that it's a very flat structure, and we always encourage you know, people to give us feedback, to tell us what they like, what they don't like. You will see later on, we've got work groups where you can participate to the development of new products, have your input, so that's really important. It's evolutive because everything changes so quickly, technologies, trends, and so on. What is true today might not be true tomorrow. So we are looking for people, you know, that like change, that like to learn new skills. So that is very important aspect of the culture, and a caring culture, because we are very much always listening. We encourage the network, you know, when you communicate together, to have a very caring attitude that is very strong. And ROI, basically the objective also is to help you to have the maximum profit. So you've got high profit margins, and that will allow you to have huge savings in terms of time, because we provide you everything to get started. You don't have to develop, you know, marketing tools, technology, products, and so on. It will save you also a lot of energy, and obviously also save you a lot of money.